Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to another salad special. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now so you can stay updated. Today we're going to make a broccoli chicken salad. If you did not know, broccoli is one of the healthiest food you could eat. Broccoli is something which is filled with fiber, is a great source of folic acid which helps your body produce cells, so broccoli is great for you. Let's start with preparing the chicken. As you see, I have taken 6 pieces of chicken. They're fresh, boneless, which are cut into small pieces. I prefer this for dinner as it's just perfectly filling and not very heavy as well. Then in a pan, I take 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, I add in the pieces of chicken. Chicken is a rich source of protein, so if you are dieting and you want some good portion of protein, chicken's great. I'm going to use very basic seasoning, freshly ground pepper, salt and some dried thyme. Cook until the pieces are fully cooked and they turn slightly light brown. Keep this aside and once it cools down, shred it into smaller pieces. Let's get our vegetables ready for the salad. I've taken broccoli. I'm going to cut the florets from the stem. Then I'm going to quickly blanch them in salt water for 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm going to grate some carrots and cucumbers for the salad. Now our broccoli is blanched. I'm going to be slicing them into smaller pieces so it's easier to eat and you have a lot of portion of it as well. Look at how lovely and green it looks. Now you can increase the quantity based on how many people you're going to serve. The portion I'm making is good for 2 people. Now let's make a quick dressing for our salad. In a small bowl, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, pepper, half a teaspoon salt, half a lemon juice. Mix it all well and our dressing is ready. Now let's mix our salad. In a large bowl, add all of your broccoli, grated cucumber and carrots. I've got a cup of boiled corn, some black olives. Mix all of the vegetables well. Add your shredded chicken on the top. And drizzle your dressing over the salad. Our scrumptious broccoli chicken salad is ready to eat. If you do like my video, leave a comment below and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care until next time. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.